Kidding me? I haven't hooped in a really long time. No way.
Look at the footwork. Now here's somebody with serious footwork.
Look, you're on your high toes. It's not
I practice on high heels. Like, no, I don't have any moves. Tell me you're not going to take
Ashley needs. She doesn't pass out either. I'm amazed.
That is sort of a belly dance groove, right?
Oh, you said your friend made it for you?
Yeah, my graduating class actually gave it to me for a graduation present. It was awesome.
Let me see if I could.
I told them I put it to good use.
Yes, you will, for sure. You are ready.
Oh,
Come on, now you're just
whoa.
How old are the girls now?
2 more.
Oh, she's going to do yoga in there. Look at her go. So cool. Bring it up, bring it up.